the quickest way to make money, the psychological principle that you need to set yourself free from ever being broke again. My name is Edjcsmith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. Lean down on that subscribe, 3 videos a week, helping you to live life on your terms. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be doing a range of different psychological principles so that you can use these. Take this principle and use it every single day in your life to move further forward, quicker, faster, etc. Now, people always say to me, Ed, how do you make money? What's the quickest way? How do you make it faster? How do you make it quicker? And here's exactly how you do it. Without any product or any service, you must understand, first of all business is value exchange. That's the psychological principle, value exchange. People don't want to purchase something because they don't believe there's a value to it. People don't want to purchase your service because they don't believe there's a value to it. Business is what? Problem solution. Solving someone's problem. We all know that. You've heard that a million times over. However, value exchange, the more value that you can have, the more value that you have for any skill or any service, the more exchange, the more someone will pay for that value. Now, for example, a GP gets paid a GP amount because they're a general practitioner. A specialist gets paid more because they specialize in one niche area. Whatever it is that you're doing now, how can you become a specialist in your area? How do we do and how do we solve value exchange is we upskill. That is the quickest way to do anything. The more you learn, the more you earn. It was Warren Buffett who was the first one to say that. And so knowledge and the more information that you know, the more you will get paid. It's really that simple. And so when people say to me, Ed, what would you do if you had to start again? Look at what the market wants. What information does the market want? What skill is the highest paid skill right now? And so start putting your investment into that skill. People always say to me, I can't do it because I only get paid X amount per hour. You don't get paid per hour. You get paid from the value that you exchange in that hour. You might want to write that one down, okay? You don't get paid per hour. You get paid for the value that you exchange in that hour. The more value that you have by upskilling is going to be a reflection of how much you get paid. So the key is today, how can you upskill more? If you haven't gone through the videos on this channel, right, that's what you're going to subscribe and get your friends to subscribe. The reason that you get paid more is because you know more. It's as simple as that. I will pay someone 5 times more than someone just starting a new industry if they've got experience, if they've got those 10,000 hours, if they've got 10 years. For example, like media buying people's ads. For us as an agency, I always need people to do that. It's a highly paid skill. If I can find someone that's done 10 years worth, right, I know that they're gonna, and they're still current, they're still upgrading, they're learning new skills, they're relevant, and they're getting good results, they're gonna earn exponentially more than someone just moving into the industry. All right, as you start moving into the industry and you start, borrowing people's hours, those 10,000 hours to speed up your process, you will earn more. You earn the amount that you do right now because that is how much value you put into it. The more you invest into your education, the more you invest into your skill set, the better you become. The more time you put in, the more energy you put in, the more resources that you put in, the more you will get paid back every single day of the week. All right, that's it from today's session. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what sort of videos you like to watch. My name is Edjcsmith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. The next psychological principle, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to not get stuck. All right, so you can understand this from a brain psychology point of view so you can avoid ever getting stuck again. Subscribe and I'll see you on the next video. And as always, no matter what happens, never give up on those dreams, and I'll see you soon.